Hey friends, welcome to English with Nate. I am Nate. In this video, we're going to talk about the word conundrum. Conundrum. Conundrum is a noun and it means a difficult question or problem. Conundrum is a noun and it means a difficult question or problem. Hey, let's get started and let's check out some example sentences. Example number 1. I did not have an answer for the student's conundrum. I did not have an answer for the student's conundrum. That means I didn't have an answer for the challenging or difficult question the student had. Example number 2. In life, you will face many challenges, obstacles, and conundrums. In life, you will face many challenges, obstacles, and conundrums. I have a huge favor to ask. Can you click that like button for me if you like learning English words with me? And also, I have some homework. I want you to write an example sentence in the comments using the word conundrum. Hey friend, it's important that you know what a word means, but you also need to know how to pronounce the word properly. Let's do that together. First, check out the bottom of the screen to see how many syllables are in the word conundrum. And also, check out the phonetic spelling so you can know how to pronounce the word better. Let's practice right now together. I'm going to repeat the word. Every time I repeat the word, I want you to repeat after me. Let's get started. Conundrum. 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 Did you know that learning new English words is a conundrum? It's a difficult problem. That's why I make these videos, because I want to help you learn new words. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't mind, check out these other example videos that will help you learn new words, more words, so that we can keep practicing together.